So let's talk a little bit about how this report differentiates between underemployment and unemployment.
It's very important to our workforce board to look at not only the categories of individuals that might be eligible for our services, but really the labor market as a whole. With this report from GSG, we actually went into Kansas and Oklahoma with some of our research because we wanted to get the perspective of the entire labor market too, and the particular interest in the underemployed worker. In other words, what we might consider those that are working poor, that are able to do more if they were in the right situation, the right scenario, as far as their transition into gainful employment. As a result, there are stakeholders that we have, community-based organizations and city leaders and so forth, really look to this report to have a better understanding of the working poor than what was provided in our region previously. We also have a chance to look at, like we mentioned earlier, that expanding what looks like our available labor pool by counting the underemployed and being able to show that our available labor pool is much larger to an employer that's willing to offer those advancement opportunities.
Does it also cover mid-range workers that are receiving more of a normative midline salary, and what might motivate them to move or change jobs?
Absolutely. In terms of the analysis of the working individuals, the underemployed, and those willing to change, they actually do come from a wide array of income and education levels. So it's very helpful to have that complete analysis.
So that would be probably particularly informative for present employers to know what might motivate someone to change and how competitive their compensation is at this point in time.
It does. It looks at what are those factors that are driving decisions made by job seekers and current workers and such that an employer can look at how to manage not only wages, but even benefits, commuting distance, a number of factors that would affect how they might approach growing their candidate pools and eventually adding to their workforce.